Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your email address in Vinted in 2025. To do it, click on Profile in bottom right corner, then go to Settings, and now you can find Security. Then go to Email, and now you can either simply confirm with your current email. If you have access to it, you'll have a confirmation email that will send you like a code that you need to enter here, then enter your new email address. If you don't have access to this email, click on I don't have access to this email. Then you will actually have all these things, and if you click on here, it says that you need to contact the Vinted account, the Vinted support, but that will require you to send a new email and attach either the photo or screenshot of your bank statement with recent Vinted charges or withdrawals, and a photo, or instead of that, a photo of the payment card used for recent purchases on Vinted. And that will be basically it. Or if you don't have any of those, then a photo of a valid payment card next to handwritten note with your Vinted username and the current date. And that is basically it. Now, if you want to do it that way, you'll need to actually get to contact with Vinted, which will be in the help center, I think. I don't really remember that. Let's select anything from here, and yeah, you'll have the contact us. But I also think that when we got to that previous thing, I might have missed that in settings, in security, in email. If you click on I don't have access to this email, you can scroll all the way down and click on contact us. Yes, so you can do it that way, and they will help you recover it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.